All right, I'm going to take another crack at this coding challenge business. We're going to go with another one of Eric Norman's coding challenges from his purely functional TV newsletter. This week's is Unmix string, where basically we get a string where each pair of letters has been flipped, and we need to write a function called unmix that takes a single mixed up string and returns the correct version of it. All right. Let's get cracking. Over here in cursive, I've got a namespace set up. Just a testing namespace, just generic, and just a single source file. So we'll go with that. We'll write a test. We'll say def test R. Say the expected value X is the result of calling unmix on Y also. Yeah, but that is there. So let's say this example, just take the examples here. That string, whoops, that's the argument to it. That should wind up being hello. Mixed up Clojure. And then I won't worry about this one because, let's save the payoff to actually mix it until we actually unmix the thing. But we've got a couple of string functions here we can test. So we load the first argument to def must be a symbol. So I didn't give this a name. Unmix test. Unable to resolve symbol unmix. All right, now we're starting to get into the TD flow of things. Of course, I'm referring to a function I don't have. First thing I should probably do is pull that in. So pf unmix, the other namespace, and I just really want to test the single function unmix. So let's load this up. Unmix does not exist. Uh-oh. Yeah, define unmix. Okay, great. Back to the other file. Load it, run the tests. Okay, what are my errors here? Wrongdoing of arguments, 1. That makes sense. I decided to take none. So we'll just call it S. Oops. Now what have we got? Rerun those tests. Two failures. Anyway, so we're not getting the thing we want. Great. Let's go write some code. Right, I don't feel like this is necessarily too hard. I think we're going to leverage partition for this because we can just toss on a string. I want every 2 bits. So if I've got like A, B, C, D, E, what do I wind up with? A, B, and I get C, D, and according to Eric's instructions, an odd string. An odd thing should just stay on the end. However, I do want that E because I want to collapse it back in. So what does partition all give me? Okay, that gives me what I want. The pairs of strings and the trailing odd character by itself. So that seems pretty straightforward. Yeah, pretty straightforward. If we just flip-flop a couple of these, we can probably just start riffing on it. We'll probably toss this actually to a threading macro. We got our BDCE, partition all 2. Now we want to map it. I think we just want to reverse it. What does that give us? Everything's in the right order now. And I think we can maybe just apply concat. Closer there. And if we call string on it, I think, nope. I think what we want actually is apply string. And we got our thing. That's our function. Boop, boop. We run the tests. 0 failures, 0 errors that time. Cool. Yeah. All right. that was fun. Let's go see what the actual message is. We'll just copy this whole code sample. Run it. Happy New Year. See you in 2020. All right. Thanks, Eric. We'll see you there.